Hey guys, Cold Creeper here, and we're about to put Ivory soap in the microwave. In that microwave. So let's get started. So all you need for this video is just regular Ivory soap. It's just regular Ivory soap. Like, I don't know if there's any other Ivory soap, but just still regular Ivory soap. So let's get started anyways. And I also forgot that you need, the only ingredients you need for this video is Ivory soap and a microwave, and if you don't have a plate, just, yeah, I think everyone has a plate, but still. And actually, yes, I have done this before. As you can see, the plate sort of has stuff on it, so I have done this before, but I wanted you guys to see this. So, let's unwrap this soap. It takes me a while to unwrap the soap. So, yeah. See, okay. See, you just put it on the rack. You just put it right on the plate. And yes, we had pause, so I don't care. I don't think you guys cared, but so you see, there's no magic going on here. 30 seconds? Yeah, I feel about 30 seconds as well. What's happening? See, you guys, as you can see, it expands. See? As you guys can see, I already said it, but might as well say it again. It expands about 3 times its size, and actually, yes, it's squishy. So is the bar. Not the size of, oh, jeez. I broke it. I broke the side. Oh jeez, it's so soft. It just easily breaks. The center of the bar is hard, actually, but this, the fluffy stuff, feels like paper mache. The reason why it does this is because there's air pockets inside of the soap. Can you see them? No, you can't. But I can. I wish you could see this, but you can actually see the air pockets. But they're little, tiny little air pockets, which makes it expand. So if you have Ivory soap anywhere, I'll definitely try this at home. And also you can still use it as soap, which is surprising. So yeah, you can still use it as soap. Jeez. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. On this video, I just want 1 like. I want you to be that 1 like. And also, if you really like this video, please hit that subscribe button, and in the comment section down below, just comment. just say anything that I should do next in the comment section down below. Cold Creeper out.